This is the Math 1113 Exam 3 review. So as always, if you do not have a copy of this document in front of you, you can download it from either one of these websites. I recommend that you print it out and fill it in with me. The topics that are going to be included on this review are going to be angles and their measure, trigonometric functions defined on the unit circle, right triangle geometry, trigonometric functions of any angle, graphs of sine and cosines, inverse trig functions, and then we're going to do fundamental trigonometric identities and sum and difference formulas. And sum and difference formulas are also, well, they're not really identities per se, but they're a way you can separate variables, and we're going to get into that when we get to 5.2. The review is structured, so all the videos are segmented by section. So what you want to do is watch the video for that section, and at the end of each section there are some practice on your own problems. You should immediately try to work on those after you've watched that section. It's really helpful to spread the review out over a couple of days so you're not trying to consume it all in one go. And then the answers to the problems are on the last page of the packet. If you go to your office hours or any of the on-campus tutoring centers, you can clear up any confusion points that you might have. I also have a blank copy of the unit circle at the back of the packet, and when we get to the appropriate place in the review, I will flip back to that page and show you there's kind of an algorithm for filling it in. So while you won't be able to have one on the test, nothing says you can't sketch pieces of it on your scratch paper or draw it on your scratch paper, and it can actually be quite helpful because any of the special angles, if they come up on the exam, you will be expected to evaluate them directly and give the exact answer without using a calculator.